The better way is to create a file new format symbol. Then you can call it some logo. Click OK. I can go in compatibility mode or not. It's whatever. So now I'll go with the default settings here, inches. I know this because the logo itself is in inches. That's the only reason. Okay. Now let's go to File, Import DXF again. Go to the logo. Right. The DXF unit inches, incremental addition, fill shapes. Hopefully that works. Edit view layers, select all. Class, board geometry, subclass, silkscreen, top, map. Notice how the class for this DXF layer, all these DXF layers become a particular class and subclass that I defined. There we go. We map that. Click OK. Overwrite layer conversion file. Yes, we do. Import. So now let's go to shape. Compose a shape. Let's go to our board geometry for the active class, silkscreen top, and then filled shape. If you don't want your logo filled shape, that's fine. Now select everything. It filled in, right click, choose done. These are still separated, these two things, but let's hit cancel. But you can save this and notice that the same underscore logo.osm got created. Now it's its own symbol file. Now let's go back to our PCB. Yes, compatibility is fine. You know, you can move your PCB to the center or whatever, it doesn't matter. Now, since you have your logo made, your OSM file made, which hopefully you have it in the default packet symbols library folder. Let's see. So if we look for some logo, that's here, the DRA file and the OSM file. I just wanted to make sure you saw that. That's the only way it's going to show up. Well, it's not the only way, but it's the easiest way to make this show up here. Okay, click hide. Then you can place your completely combined logo. Right click, choose done.